Hello everyone, and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Oh Jojo, thank you for coming. Oh, I've got something for you, Nana Nora, just wait. Oh, I wonder what it could be. Here you go, it's the all-important loo. Oh wow, thank you so much. I needed a toilet in my apartment. Alrighty, getting my bricks out. Let's build. 8x16 base plate and a 2x16 plate, and this is the start of Nana Nora's apartment. I felt Nana Nora needed a lot larger apartment because she only had a kitchen, a little tiny couch in there, so I thought let's make her a bigger one, and it fits perfectly on top of the surf shop. As with all of my builds that I do, I try and reuse everything from the set as I can. That way it saves on pieces, and you try and make the building almost look the same as the original. Well, that's what I like to do anyway. And I love those teal coloured window frames. I had to use those up. So the reason why I didn't do the teal floor was I didn't have enough of it. I just used the teal part here for the little balcony. I thought, yeah, that contrasts really well with the windows, and I think it's just looks better with the purple as well. Adds a little bit more colour variations. You know me and colour. I love colour. And just building up the walls here. I needed to put the arch in because I love the arch. And these are the ice creams from the ice cream shop, and they add just a nice decoration to the front, I thought. And finish off the balcony there, and some snot bricks because there will be some awnings there on the window. And the clips in the kitchen, I liked having the clips in the original kitchen, so I kept that idea also. I'm doing a layer of white at the top, but I'm not using all tiles because this part here is not like a modular. I want it to be one piece, the apartment. I just want it to be able to be removed from the surf shop. So here's the awning. I loved the dark pink colour, so I kept that. And there we are, look at the awning. Let's do the interior, and I thought Nana Nora needs a door because it was a bit drafty. In the original she had no door, and I forgot this tile. Hang on a sec, there we are. I was getting too excited about a door. Furniture fit out time, and she loves collecting shells. She's got a shell inside, little statue and a vase to brighten up the room. And a little lamp, so if she does some reading, she can pop that on. And look at this couch. Love it, and it's a lot bigger than the other one. We've got a coffee table here and bingo. Nana Nora loves playing bingo, so she will play that with her husband later. I'll hang up some pots and pans up here. And same colour kitchen. I liked the black and white look. So I just made it a little bit bigger, gave her a sink, a fridge, and this is the stove from the other apartment. Look at this. Oh, and I forgot the seahorse. There we go, because she lives at the sea. Yay, I have a kitchen sink. And here they all are playing bingo, Marcel, Ava and Nana Nora. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Alright, let's just finish off the front here. So pop some of these flowers and leaves on to add a bit of greenery. And my favourite part, the dots tiles. This just adds a little bit more to the front. Look, Nana Nora's on a balcony. Let's pop her apartment on here. Look at this. Look at this colour scheme. It is simply gorgeous. Yay! All right, let's do her bedroom and bathroom. Poor Nana Nora didn't have a bathroom, no toilet, no shower, no bed. I thought that can't do. And oh, I used this from Andrea's beach house, that sticker. That just fits perfectly here, very beachy. And I decided to use up the windows that came with the set instead of doing the teal frame again. I thought, yeah, add a little bit of difference to the third level. These are the larger snot bricks up here because there's going to be an awning and the decoration on top. And I had to use up all the pieces for another balcony. I thought, nope, she needs 2 balconies. She deserves it. She needs a balcony off her bedroom. Building the same walls here as the second level, just to keep it all symmetrical and to use up all those pieces also. And the ice creams, had to include them again. Look at this, there's the archway. Let's do the wall here and up here. Look at this. Oh, I forgot the white brick there, and look, I've used some washi tape to, you know, do a bit of tiling. And I love washi tape because it doesn't leave a sticky residue on the Lego bricks. There's her little basin, sink going in, and her toilet. She's super happy she can go to the toilet in her own house, really. Here she is. Whoa, skids. And, oh, sorry, we can't look. Turn away. She's on the toilet. Jojo, thank you. And another door. Dots tiles for decoration here. And I'm going to stick a vine here. Add some greenery to the room. That looks so good. Indoor plants are in at the moment. Time to do the awning, same as the second floor. And oh, hang on a second. No, I've done something wrong here. Oh man, I forgot to add these bricks here to add a little bit of height. There we go, that's better. Yes, now I can put the awning here. Look at this. More plants out the front. Oh, they just add so much extra colour. I love it. Tiling the balcony there, and now just adding some white plates around the top. Keep it all secure and just add another level of colour. And once again, I forgot to put the tile in. Using up the dark pink pieces along the top as well. Extra layer of colour. Do that all around. And now this part. Now this only came in a 2x14, so, and I did that part wrong. Whoopsies, I'm doing a few mistakes in this build, sorry. You're gonna have to keep up with me. So using up the tiles here, because Nana Nora's roof will be detachable also. That's why I've used up the tiles here. There we go. And this part, I really liked this part in the build, and I should have put it on before, and I'm just destroying my whole building. Hang on, there we go. There it is. I loved that design of the dots tiles, so I used it. Yes, I did. Turn it around. This is like a little drawer set for Nana Nora. She's got a perfume and a little turtle. He's not real, don't worry, he's just a statue. And the shell bed. I finally used it. It was in Nana Nora's apartment. Oh my goodness, Jojo, I have a bed. Let's stick it up the top. Look at this. OMG, everyone, looking good. Now this is the rooftop garden. I've kept it nice and simple. I haven't put too much stuff up the top, but you will love the roofline. You'll see how much extra pizzazz it's given the building. I'm popping in a textured brick here just to break it up a little bit, and using up the same roof tiles or roof bricks. But look at this. She's got a shell on the front of her roof. Oh, I'm loving it. And here's her veggie and fruit garden going in. A little stool to sit amongst the veggies. She has a little sun lounge on top. Little flower pot and her drink. And she's been shopping in her own surf shop. And there's the watering can. Marcel's going up the top. Nana Nora's relaxing. And Marcel is pouring water everywhere because he's looking at Nana Nora. Oh, let's pop the roof garden on top. Oh my goodness, look at this. I can't stop looking at it. I love it. And Marcel is serenading his beautiful wife on the balcony. Nana Nora's surf shop and apartment. I'm in love with this build. I love the colour scheme. I love everything about it now. I love that it's got 2 balconies. She has a bed. She has a toilet. She's got the kitchen sink. Now, I hope I've given you some ideas on how you can rebuild yours, rebuild your buildings to add some extra colour and detail to it. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See you next time.